Today's video shows you how I made this screen coaster. After deciding for the colors, I made a skinner blend with my pasta machine and cut off a narrow strip for later and put it aside. Then I made the long tape with my pasta machine out of the skinner blend and shaped it into a skinner cube cane. After shaping the cube, I built a color-shifted frame. Here I smooth the edges from the cube. And at the beginning I put aside a strip of the skinner blend, and here I wrap the cube into it. Now I start reducing the cane. When I reduced the cane enough, I cut it into 4 equal long pieces and try to imagine the design. After deciding for a design, I shaped the cube cane again and then I pinched it into a triangle shape. After the cane was reduced enough, I cut it into half and put it together to a square cane, and you see the look changed complete. When the cane had the right size, I cut it into slices. After the slices were cut, I prepared some scrap clay for the base and made it tacky with some liquid clay and placed the slices. Then I used the half-round tool to close the gaps and the roller to make it even, and with a foil I tried to avoid fingerprints. Then I cut off the edges and baked it according to my package's instructions. And here you see my finished coaster made out of one skinner blend cane. So I hope you enjoyed watching, and subscribe to my channel if you want to see more, and if you want to see something more detailed like this, then please let it down below in the comments. And thanks for watching, until next time, bye!